Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to make a VoIP call. Enhance your efficiency with GoodX Web's integrated VoIP calling feature, enabling you to seamlessly place and receive calls without leaving the platform. The system records the call, saving both the conversation and any notes to the electronic file of the respective data or patient. You can answer incoming calls from multiple logged-in screens, ensuring flexibility and seamless communication. A VoIP call can be made from the diary screen or from the data screen. Firstly, from the diary screen, click on a desired booking of the patient. The diary sidebar will open. Click on a dial button. The call event workflow event screen will open, where you will be making the VoIP call. For the second method, click on a navigation wheel. Click on a data segment. The data screen will open. From here, either search for the desired data on a search field or select the desired data from the data list. After selecting a data, the data sidebar will open. Click on the dial button. The call event workflow event screen will open. We will now go over the various fields and buttons within the call event workflow event screen. Click on a call event drop-down menu. From here, you will see the pre-set up call events templates for the practice on the list. For more information regarding the call event templates, please refer to the workflow event call event user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a desired call event template from the list. If you would like to change the input device from which the call will be happening, such as a different headset, click on a drop-down and select the desired option. Click on a refresh button to refresh the device list. Call reason refers to the explanation as to why the call is being made, such as following up with the data on assigning amounts or with the patient regarding test results. Accounts will display all the outstanding amounts to the debtors file. Call scripts ensure consistent, accurate and efficient communication, enhancing customer service and overall more satisfied patients. Numbers available will show the cell phone numbers that can be found within the debtors file on the practice. If you would like to phone a debtor or patient on an alternative number that is not on the system, you may enter the number within the other number field. Click on a green phone button to initiate the call to the patient. As soon as you initiate the call, the floater will appear where you can hang up the call, assign tasks and more. For more information regarding the floater, please refer to the How to Use the Floater user manual linked in this video's description. Whilst on the call with the patient, you are able to utilize both the Go to Account and Go to Data Details buttons. Go to Account will redirect you to the selected debtor's account details screen where you can view the transaction history and account information. Go to Data Details will navigate you to the demographic details of the debtor. Once the call ends, additional information will populate on the screen. The call panel will appear, showing key details such as call date and time, duration of call, and what the outcome of the call was. Duration will display the length of the call. Once the call ends, a listen recording button will appear, which will contain the audio recording of the call. Click on a listen recording button, which will start the audio recording. Click on a vertical ellipse button. Two options will appear where you are able to download the audio file or change the playback speed of the recording. As for an incoming call, the floater will once again appear on the screen. Click on the Accept button to pick up the call. Alternatively, if you are unable to take the call, click on a Reject button. The floater will display details of the debtor if the incoming call is from the number that is already associated to a debtor. Call outcome refers to the end result of the phone call. For example, was the call answered or was the line busy? Click on a call outcome drop-down menu and select the applicable option from the list. Who answered will enable you to enter the person's name who answered the call. Click on a Who Answered field and enter the relevant information. In the Mood field, you have the option to indicate whether the call proceeded smoothly or if any hostility was encountered. Payment refers to the outcome result of the call, for example, the patient agreed to pay, refused to pay, and more. Click on a Payment field and select the applicable option. Notes will allow you to enter additional information regarding the call. Click on a Note text field and enter the relevant information. Task follow-up dates will enable you to log follow-up task on the system. Click on a task follow-up date to open the calendar and select an applicable follow-up date. SMS will allow you to send an SMS to the debtor. Click on an SMS button. The SMS workflow event screen will open. For more information regarding SMSs, please refer to the Send an SMS user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Close button to return to the previous screen. Click on a Send button to send the SMS and return to the previous screen. Email will enable you to send an email to the debtor. Click on the Email button. The email workflow event screen will open. For more information regarding emails, please refer to the workflow event template Send email user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Close button to return to the previous screen. Click on a Send button to send the email and return to the previous screen. Click on a Complete button to wrap up the call event. Click on a Save button to save the information and return to the data screen.